Greetings YouTube, welcome back to my channel again. In this video I'll teach you how to make money online in Ghana with PICOWOKERS site. So in this site, the first thing to do is to click on start and then you sign up and fill up the form. So what you have to do is, like on the first one, you enter your name and then followed by your email and then your password. Then you accept their terms of use and then you sign up. So in this video, this is just an example. I'm not going to create an account because creating an account on this platform, multiple account on this platform is prohibited. It can lead to your account being suspended permanently. So this is just for an example how the interface look like when you click on the link on the description. I'll be putting a link on the description to the site so that you can easily click on it and then you complete your sign up. So after signing up, with filling the form, you select your country. So right now I'm from Ghana, so I'm going to select Ghana from the list. So after selecting Ghana, I'm going to accept the terms of use, and I also want to receive email notification from them. So also pay attention to this. You should select a worker if you want to earn money from the site. So you can change that later though, but for now you select a worker and then sign up to the site. So if you successfully sign up, this is what the interface look like when you sign up to the site. You will see the jobs listed like this on the site. So these are the jobs that you do and then you get paid. You see, if you see time to rate, 7 days to rate over, that means if you submit that tax, it will take 7 days for the system to automatically decide the work is satisfied if the employer didn't come in rate the work for you. So one advice to you as a beginner, I usually take jobs that take 1 day to rate. That's what I usually do, because these ones, even if the employer didn't come back to check and validate your proofs, the system will automatically rate it as satisfied. So these ones are the easiest ones. So I usually pay attention to this bar over here, the blue one. If it is blue, it means the employer didn't rate any of the tax yet, so it's blue. But if it is green, it means the employer rates jobs faster. So I usually do these ones, the one with green button, the green bar over there, and then also check the time to rate, which should be 1. So to make that easy, I come here to the filter and then change the sort to most, from most recent to time to rate, the TTR. So from there I will just see the ones with 1 day to rate at the top first. So the SEO, content plus engagement, these things are very easy to do, but in this video we'll be talking about Reddit sign up. So as you can see over here, I am changing the different type of views you can see from the site. So I prefer the middle one because it gives a lot of information and it looks very simple. So I prefer the middle one. Yeah, so the middle view is what I usually choose. So if you choose that one, this is how your site is going to look like. Then from there, you see every information is showing right now. So that's it. But in this video, we will be talking mostly about Reddit jobs. These SEO content are very easy to do, and this is where you make most of the money from the site. But as a beginner, let's start with the Reddit one. Then I'll be making a separate video for this particular category because it looks easy, but if you make mistake, your work will be rated not satisfied and you won't get paid. So I'll be making a separate video on these ones in particular. So before we go to the Reddit job category, and then I'll guide you through how to complete the Reddit tasks. Let's take a look at some of the categories in the site first. So some of the easy ones for beginners are number one is sign up. The Reddit ones is the easiest everyone can do on the site. So you just click category and then select Reddit. Then you will see available jobs. Most of the time these jobs are completed faster, so you won't be seeing them regularly. But this what the moment I enter is the first thing I check for. Then if I see any available one, I do it fast before going to any other task to complete. So you can see as I applied the filter, these are the Reddit jobs available right now. So I usually do these ones. Most of them are auto-rated. They are auto-rated, but some of them they are manually. So this particular one is manual. Is manually rated by the employer. So I'll be going to another category, which is the sign up, the second category, the easiest, one of the easiest for every beginner to try out. You can see sign up is the first category on the list. You come here, you see these are very easy jobs to do. Look at this. This is just getting, you will be getting $1.250 for just a sign up and then you complete your KYC verification. But unfortunately this particular job is not available for Ghanaians because the site doesn't support Ghana IDs for the verification. So that is why I didn't do it. So from there, from the sign-ups, you see there's a lot of these things over here. But don't provide one this thing for multiple works, one proof for multiple works. Use one at a time. And then another easy ones to do is the mobile application. The mobile application ones, they are very easy to do. You just go to Play Store or the Apple App Store, and then you download the app. Some of them may ask you to review, or some of them they just want you to install keke. Then they'll ask for screenshots as proofs and all those things. So when you enter the job, you read the instruction. And then you do what the instruction said. Then you submit the proofs. So in my future videos, I'll be explaining all of these categories one after the other, and then with detailed guide on how to complete them. So in this particular one, this is the first one. We'll be taking the easiest, which is the Reddit tax. You come to the category. So if you come to the category, you select Reddit from the list and then apply. So if you apply Reddit jobs, you have to be fast because a lot of people see them very easy, so they do this thing, they rush and then do it fast. Like this is just one of the examples. This one is they give the link directly, so you just copy the link from this thing. If you read the instruction, you will see the link. Then you open it in a new tab, and then you go and then give an upvote to that particular one. And this is just one of the example. Other ones don't look like this. So you come here, you perform the upvote down there. That's the button, you click it. So the upvote is, then you refresh to see if the upvote is still there. So if it is still there, the next thing you do is to go to your profile. This one, the particular one the person is asking for, the person who posts the this thing, the comment, as proofs the name. So I've just copied the name, and then I come to my Reddit username too, and then I copied my user link too. So you make sure you read the instruction before you continue. Then you see I'm going to post my username there, the profile link over there, and then I'm going to paste his the poster's name too. So I'll be going back to the site, the Reddit site. So this is why it's very important to open a new tab before doing this thing, so that you can easily access the site again. So I'll just go and copy the poster's name, and then copy and then paste it to the approved box over there, and then apply it, and then finish. That's it. Okay, so in another variant of the Reddit works, this time around, there's a tool that they use to validate your vote automatically. These type of jobs, this one, the moment you complete them, it will validate automatically. This one, when you click on the job, they will give you a particular link here. That's what I'm going to copy. So you copy. When you go to the site, it will ask you to enter your your Reddit username. So it will check if your account is active. So if you do that, so this is the place. You see it now. It will check if your account is active. So I already log in. So you get the link from there, and then you go and then do this thing. Like vote the content, the particular post. Then after voting, some of them will ask you to give your Reddit username to profile link. So you just copy the link. That's what I'm going to do. I copy my Reddit link, and then come back to the where I validated my account, where I get the link from initially. So this is it. Then from there you click. So I'm going to paste my this thing over here, my link, profile link here. That's my second proof, and then the first proof is going from here. So I'll click on this thing, then it will give me a P code, which means if you didn't if you didn't upvote, the P code won't come. So if you make the vote, the P code will come. Then you just confirm it, and then this one automatically you get paid instantly because the code is correct. But if the code is wrong, you will not get paid instantly. So as you can see right now, that's the latest job I've done from Reddit. So you see it is awarded to me instantly. So in the Reddit work, this time you have to take a note of something. Is some of the Reddit works, they contains sexual or nudities. So those particular works are tagged with a specific this thing, which is not safe for work. There's that type over there for them. So if you don't want to do those type of tags, you can come here to your settings, and then you disable it from here. Click to disable not safe for work. So you see this particular tag over there, NSFW. If you don't want to see these types of jobs, there's nudity ones, because there are some these things where people are naked, then they want you to go and give an upvote for their distance. So you have to be aware of that one too. So if you don't want to see any sexual content, come here and disable this from the settings. And also there's one particular employer which is all of his tags so far so good. I haven't do any of them. So this is what I did. I blocked him because all of his tags, if you try to do them, you will not see the post, or even if you see the post, you won't see you won't get the P code for the upvote. So something like a scam. It's a scam employer. So I blocked him so that I won't see his tags any longer. You can also do the same. This is his name. So anytime you see this particular, or you try to do a Reddit job and then you open the link, then it said invalid job, that is him, that is his job. Or you search for the job. Some of this thing, when you go to the validator, they will give you instruction. So you read the instruction and then you search for that job on the Reddit site, then you do it. So that's it for this video. I'm in a hurry small, so I couldn't put most of my time into this particular video. I'm sorry for that, but this is a new channel, so I'll try and be giving you quality content in the future. So this video, that's it for the Reddit one. In the next one, it's going to be the money making one. Yeah, the one that you can do it over and over and over again and then earn a lot of money, which are the CEO content promoting these ones. You work until you yourself you get tired. Nothing will stop you. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe to the channel. See you in the next one. Bye bye.